Hey everyone, welcome back to the Pot Spoon Kitchen. There's something truly special about a homemade Mother's Day breakfast. It's not just about the food, it's about the time, the love, and the personal touch you put into every bite. By cooking at home, you create a moment that's just for her. Simple, heartfelt, and filled with meaning. Today we're making a delicious American style breakfast that is budget friendly. You can make it special right at home. So let's get started. Grab your mixing bowls and some basic ingredients and let's make some pancake magic. Into a bowl, add some whole milk and of course you can use buttermilk, some dark vanilla essence, coconut oil or good quality cooking oil. You can also add one egg which is optional and we are adding some granulated sugar. Let's sift the dry ingredients for a lighter pancake. All-purpose flour, baking powder, and salt. The ingredients and the amounts will be listed in the description box below. Sift everything together. Gently mix the wet and the dry ingredients together until combined without overmixing. And just like that, your pancake batter is ready to cook. Heat a non-stick frying pan or a griddle on medium heat. You can choose to lightly grease it, but this is a non-stick pan, so it's not necessary. Pour about a quarter cup to a third of a cup of batter for each pancake. Once you see the bubbles form on the top and the edges look set, flip them and cook for another minute or so or until nice and golden. And that's it, stack them up. Every good pancake deserves a good syrup. We're altering the buttered maple syrup. In a pot on medium heat, add about a tablespoon of butter. Pour in 1 cup of syrup and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Also add a pinch of salt to balance all the flavors. When you add all these flavors to the syrup, it gives the breakfast a different experience. Mix it on medium heat just until the butter is melted. We're bringing a Caribbean twist to a classic American breakfast with scrambled eggs. Let's add bell peppers, onions, green onions to 6 eggs. Add salt and pepper for flavor and just a little kick. Using a fork or a whisk, mix the eggs until they are combined. Add a piece of butter to a frying pan. You can choose to saute the vegetables first, but this is a method that I prefer. Pour in your eggs. To make this kind of breakfast, most of the times you have almost all the ingredients at home. And scramble them gently. When it comes to the eggs, there are so many options. There's omelets, boiled eggs, or even sunny-sided eggs. With this breakfast, bacon or sausages are a good pairing. Let's fry some chicken sausages. The favorite sausages or the ones you can afford will definitely work. It's the thought that counts. Fry them until golden. Let's plate our breakfast. Let's lay down our pancakes, sausages, delicious scrambled eggs, fresh strawberries or some fresh fruit, syrup, hot chocolate tea, and pour some orange juice over some ice. and strawberry yogurt. You can't forget the cutleries. And there you have the perfect breakfast for Mother's Day or even Father's Day. You can push it a little bit further by serving it in bed. Making breakfast at home for Mother's Day is a beautiful way to show love and appreciation. By preparing a simple but thoughtful meal like pancakes, scrambled eggs, or a classic American breakfast, you create a personal and memorable moment. We have come to the end of today's recipe. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to comment in the comment section, share the video, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend, and see you in another one of my recipes.